It's your boy Mr. King Coaster here, and I want to say Jurassic World is open. This is actually my first time going on it, so I'm super excited. I was pleasantly surprised to find that it'll be open today, so let's go ahead and do it. Yes! Finally going into Jurassic World, the ride. Oh. Yeah. So it is like a 240-minute wait. I'm gonna try to brave this 4-hour line over here. I don't know, we'll see if I actually make it to the front. May not have time today, but let's see if we get lucky. 3 days later.
Yes, she certainly is a strong alpha female. Other alphas sometimes are intimidating, but strong alpha females. Later, I'll be sharing with you my visit to the Jurassic World raptor enclosure.
At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep. You are clear for entry. One of the latest additions to our Jurassic.
Oh!
Please remain in the boat and stay calm. Asset control units are on their way. We can find Luke now. Tracking multiple targets. We are in full containment failure. More systems going down. Power failure. And rescue team to access level 6 now. Turbo, am I on? Is this on? Listen to me. Do not panic. You can see me. I think they're waiting for inside the boat. Slight movement will set these animals off.
This ride was stellar and amazing. I have no complaints whatsoever. As a fan of the big Jurassic Park, the ride just definitely like levels it up a bit. And as you can see, I'm fully soaked. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's Jurassic World update. Be sure to come to Universal Studios Hollywood and check it out. The ride is officially open now. And thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, Coastal Realty.